Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm outside my backyard, and we used to have a huge barn in our backyard, but they had to knock it down because it was about to fall down, so this is what it is now. There's a freaking backhoe in our backyard, and I have no clue why. I want to go touch it. I'm going to show you guys. So this is what it did to our yard. It ruined the backyard. There's a butterfly over there. And then this is what it looks like. The wheel, hat, and this. My friend climbed in there. There's a spider in there, there's a whole bunch of stuff. But it's awesome. So yeah, I'm going to set you up and I'm going to show you a little bit more. Put some music in the background, and yeah, let's do this thing.